Well, hey there, guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, we've got another Retro Kenny rerun. Well, this week's selection is yet another two-part series, and it is one of my favorite projects that I've made here in the shop, and it's not even a woodworking project. What it is a hand plane restoration. I took a completely destroyed hand plane and refurbished it to better than new. And while the production of the show was very rustic, this is way back in 2015. This was 10 years ago when I was first getting my feet wet in this whole YouTube video production thing. So the video production itself is very rustic. I was a little out of my element, but the information in there is still rock solid, and the results of that hand plane are still rock solid, still hold true today, and I still use that hand plane. So it's a very, very valid show. Guys, if you're interested in checking this one out, you just want to click right up here in this top corner. I hope you enjoyed this week's selection. I hope that you're going to be able to pull something positive out of that show and maybe refurbish some of your old tools. But more importantly, guys, I hope you're going to join me again next week when I bring you yet another Retro Kenny rerun.